So me and my dad have used this Vnetphone V6 intercoms, and they have actually worked really well. But now my oldest son have turned 16 and he will start training for his A1 license with us. And there's a limit of 2 riders talking and hearing each other at the same time. So yeah, instead I've ordered the Snell E2. Those have a limit of 4 people, so we have tried to order 3 of those, and I have to say it comes in a really nice box. This antenna that you flicking up, and yeah, this one feels a bit flimsy. Would have been better with the stationary, like on the Vnetphone, I think. Otherwise it looks cleaner and nicer. I also see one thing that might be an issue with the E2, and that's the width on the earpieces. I'm actually not sure how this will be, if they will fit in all our helmets, because those are quite a bit thicker than they were on the Vnetphone, if I remember right. But yeah, we will see when I connect those. And one last thing that I'm not really sure about is the connection. Here is the piece you put on the helmet. There's no issue connecting the intercom to this mount, but taking it off, it feels like this will break at some point. But yeah, time will tell, and I will also do a follow-up at some point once we have tested those out.